Here's where to find CapCut exported videos on your computer, as well as how to change where to export them. First, you will need to right click on the start button and click on run. Now in here you want to type %sign local app data %sign and press enter. And in this directory you want to look for CapCut, double click on the folder. And if you have exported any videos already, you should see a folder called videos right here. So you'll simply double click on it and see all the exported videos there, which is the default location. Now to access this folder quickly, you can create a shortcut for it. So for example, if we had exported videos, there should be videos like this folder. Right click on it and click send to desktop. And that should create a shortcut for it on the desktop. So when we access it, we can open the video directly. Now to change this location to a custom export path or destination. So first you will need to open your project in CapCut and then click on the export button on the right side right here. Because the time is empty, so we will need to open a project. For example, this one right here. And click on export. Now next to export to, as you can see, it's set to the default location. So we can simply click on it and change. Maybe you want to export it to the videos folder, which is under this PC. Click on select folder and now give it a name if you want to, and then click on export.
How to fix snipping tool.
And then you can simply click on share if you want to share it to specific platforms.
How to fix.
And now once it's exported, you can close this window and then go to that folder specifically, and you should see your video that has been exported. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.